You say what's going on?
Yeah, man, we got nigga. What if we didn't give you barbecue at the lake? Right. This shit fake. And I don't think this fake, cause we live right now. Yeah. And look, big dog, put it down, Mac Time 478. Y'all check this shit out. Y'all YouTube that shit. This shit for real. Ain't that fake, nigga. Hey, look, my uncle say, nigga, fuck every other city but the Mac, nigga. That's what he say. Listen to the lyrics, nigga. Y'all nigga be talking that shit, nigga. No.
Got him, nigga.
Know what's going on around here. Nigga, shit, nigga. Y'all say we slow?
Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
Wait, nigga, we still fast, nigga. Yeah, we fast as hell, nigga. Y'all need to think we slow, nigga. We way above y'all pussy ass nigga. This is Mac Time 478, nigga. Nigga, the C4 checking in, nigga. This every motherfucking day, nigga. Every day. Ready, get to him,
that choo-choo train, bringing that funk from the Mac Time, y'all. Woo-hoo. Yeah, boss man on that choo-choo train, yeah. Coming from the Mac Time, y'all. Yes, I am. Coming straight from the dog of the bay, my nigga, straight from the Mac, yeah. To the 18, yeah. To the 18, yeah. But right around the world, we gon' stop down there down in Texas and California, in New Orleans, my nigga, where it all in, my nigga, where it all at. I'm talking about that you train, y'all. We going around the world, my nigga, bring it back to the Mac. Just like that, 2017, that's what I mean, that choo-choo train, baby. Ride.
Y'all ain't hearing Uncle Buddha, that's the OG of the MAC. Better watch, don't move the niggas, cause we headed to the top. Young millionaire, my bruh.
I stay broke, my nigga, and I do what I do. I was born to win. I was born to get it in. I was born to spit it so your nigga know what it is. So you might give it up. That choo-choo train, baby, with a lyrical boo, my nigga. Pulling them bricks, my nigga, and bring it. Know what I'm talking about, man. And you tripping, y'all. In 2017, my nigga, Mean Machine, my nigga. Y'all, we gonna get on down, my nigga. Get it where I fit in, my nigga. I get it like I want it, my nigga. Spin it where I get it, my nigga. I chuck it where I supposed to chuck it, my nigga. Knock a home run. Then bring the crown home, boss man. Choo-choo train.
From the MAC, everybody hustling. From the MAC, only if you knew I struggle. From the MAC, ain't too many opportunities, but that work on the street.
Too legit to quit, yeah, stop it, baby. To the plan around, girl. Get serious with a thing, baby. Let a nigga rock your world. You can't make it, girl. You ain't got the right man. You can't make it, girl. If you ain't got the right plan, you can't make it, my brother. If you don't know that about Caesar, you never make it, man. Cause you try to make it on your own. I feel sorry for them trying to make it on their own, my nigga. Where you gonna hide? Can live by, yeah, boss, man.
Outside, old making Georgia, man. Like something like represent for the real, right, man?